lẹ́yìn gbogbo wàhálà tó yẹ pé ó wà ní ilẹ̀ yìí tó wà nílùú yìí tí àwọn èèyàn ń pariwo ebi o táwọn èèyàn ń pariwo pé wọ́n ń jí wa gbé tí wọ́n ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tó yẹ pé tó má tún jí wa gbé gan wọ́n á tún pa wá lórí ẹ̀ táwọn èèyàn tún pa pé kò sóúnjẹ ńlù pé ìlú le. Nǹkan tó kù àwọn olóṣèlú wa kù ni pé kán change national anthem títí ìlú yìí ṣe ń gbọ́ṣẹ́ ṣe rí pé àwọn tá gbé síbẹ̀ bí olórí wọn ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe. Ìdí nìyí tá fi ń pariwo pé ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò nílùú ìpè because gbogbo àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀ apànìyàn ní gbogbo wọn. Alright my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. My brother, my sister, many things they happen as we they talk now. Of all the problem we be say we they face for this country, of all the things we be say they happen, we be say then they thief people, we be say they go even collect ransom, they go still buy people. We be say people come outside, they cry, say hunger won't kill them for this country. The only thing we be say our senators fit think about na national anthem. Make them change national anthem. My brother, my sister, which kind people be this? Which kind people will be say they no get brain? Now him be all these ones. You see what we they talk, say make we go our separate ways. See, because all these people will be say then they rule us, then now only for themselves, then they think everybody they cry out to say oh hunger deal. You know, see that woman will come out to that day will be say she they talk say now only pepper her money fi buy, she no fi buy rice, kerosene no day will be say she go use to take cook her food. Everybody they buy, many people they buy because of hunger for this country. Our own senator, lawmakers where we get, we be say they no get the brain. Now they can't come outside. They talk say na national anthem, how to change them. Now him be their problem. All right, my brother, my sister, still on the matter. You are welcome back onto this channel. All right, with waiting the sup now. Everybody done the react. Yes, I go give una the detail. We be say it dey inside the DC Tori. Okay, onto this one. Senate begins a public hearing on change of national anthem, seek wide consultation. My brother, my sister, no be small something. All right, with waiting the sup, senior advocate of Nigeria, Mike Ezekome, harped on one of the lines from the previous anthem which addressed the issue of oppression while corroborating with the Director General of National Orientation Agency that the change of the national anthem was long overdue. All right, onto this one, the Nigerian Senate on Monday started a public hearing on an act to provide for the national anthem of Nigeria and related matters. All right, for my Yoruba people, nǹkan tó ń sọ ń sìn ni pé lẹ́yìn gbogbo wàhálà tó yẹ pé ó wà ní ilẹ̀ yìí tó wà nílùú yìí tí àwọn èèyàn ń pariwo ebi o táwọn èèyàn ń pariwo pé wọ́n ń jí wa gbé tí wọ́n ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tó yẹ pé tó má tún jí wa gbé gan wọ́n á tún pa wá lórí ẹ̀ táwọn èèyàn tún pa pé kò sóúnjẹ ńlù pé ìlú le. Nǹkan tó kù àwọn olóṣèlú wa kù ni pé kán change national anthem títí ìlú yìí ṣe ń gbọ́ṣẹ́ ṣe rí pé àwọn tá gbé síbẹ̀ bí olórí wọn ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe. Ìdí nìyí tá fi ń pariwo pé ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò nílùú ìpè because gbogbo àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀ apànìyàn ní gbogbo wọn pẹ̀lú bó ṣe ń pààyàn tó ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Nǹkan tó kàn wọ́n kù ni kán change national anthem. Kí ló kàn wá pẹ̀lú national anthem? Ẹ rí pé àwọn arábí yìí pé ìkà ni wọ́n. Exactly what is going on. Well, onto this one, the Nigerian Senate on Monday started a public hearing on an act to provide for the national anthem of Nigeria and related matters. Okay, with the news where they reach us onto this one, the Senate held an executive and then closed session on Thursday to deliberate changing the national anthem. Well, the move was said to replace the anthem with the former one, Nigeria We Hail Thee, which was adopted as the country's first national anthem on October 1st, 1960, but was dropped in 1978 by the Olusegun Obasanjo's military regime. Well, according to Channels TV, the leader of the Senate, Opeyemi Bamidele, who represented the president of the Senate at the hearing said the second stanza of the existing national anthem shall be the national prayer, noting that if deemed necessary, there would be further consultation on the matter. Well, meanwhile, the Attorney General of the Federation and the Minister of Justice Lateef Fagbemi in his contribution said the amendment should not come only by legislative fiat but should be subjected to a wider consultation, stating that the reversal was not out of place but it should involve a wider process to ensure it was a true reflection of the generality of the wishes of all Nigerians. All right, my brother, my sister, now this one be the thing wey be say e dey reach us now. Everybody don come outside, they come dey talk say, hey Baba God, which kind people na him be this our leader? So now with all the wahala wey be say e dey happen for this country, the only thing wey be say these people go think about na to change national anthem for the country. Well, according to wetin Mansa Friday talk, he say, what does national anthem do with the current situation? For crying out loud, Abba, what type of senseless woman being we keep as our lawmakers? Can't they think of doing something reasonable than this national anthem? What a bounce of nonsense we keep as leaders. Yeah, my brother, my sister, now exactly waiting be say e dey kpai us for this country. Now him be this we be say everybody for other country, for developed country, then they find how their citizen then go take dey okay, we then go take enjoy. But for this country Naija, now only here we don't see say everybody we be our leader, now only their own pocket and the pocket of their family now in then they drag for. Now he make everything come dabaru we can't say, in fact now to go our separate ways, now he go solve them. Because with this one we say then they talk now, and so the thing they start at the end of it all, now only their pockets they still they fight for. Okay, see the way they are making sweet effort to change the anthem. They don't even care about the hardship people are going through. I don't hear them. Well, the national anthem is not the big problem of this nation. I beg it. The problem of us for this nation now for everybody to go in separate ways. My brother, my sister, now waiting everybody come they talk now be this. Now everybody I don't sharpen. Would you everybody till labai? We say national anthem lamba yin sosha. Ṣé kò ṣe pé orí gbogbo yín ti gbálẹ̀? Ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn, ebi ń pa aráàlú, ìyà ń jẹ aráàlú. Wọ́n ń jí wa gbé lọ́tùn, wọ́n ń jí wa gbé lósì. Kò sóúnjẹ, kò sómi, kò sọ́nà. Gbogbo ẹ ti dajúrú, ẹ̀yin wá ń pariwo pé national anthem pé òun lè fẹ́ change. Ṣé national anthem wá jẹ́ wàhálà tó máa solve gbogbo wàhálà wa nílùú yìí? Ṣó jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé ó ń kan wá lóminú ṣá? Ṣé òun ló máa fún wa lówó? Ṣé òun ló máa gbówó sórí tébù? Àbí òun ló máa lé àwọn Fúlàní pa? Torí Ọlọ́run, ìwọ tó bá yìí wà lórí ìjókòó tó ń pariwo wọ́n Nàìjíríà tiẹ̀ ti bọ́ tiẹ̀ ti bọ́ o, because bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ báyìí ká má parọ́ tanra wa, àwọn tó ń pera wọn lólórí wa yìí, àwọn ìkà ènìyàn lọ́kún bẹ̀. Ṣé ń gbọ́? À ń sọ̀rọ̀ bí láyé ṣe máa dá, àwọn á lọ jókòó sójú kan lẹ́yìn tán ti pín owó mọ́ra wọn lára, wọ́n á ń pariwo pé àwọn fẹ́ change national anthem. Kí ló kàn wá pẹ̀lú national anthem? Ṣé bí lẹ́yìn fẹ́ kú sí ni? Nàìjíríà làwọn lè máa fẹ́ kú sí kẹ́ àwọn ìkà ènìyàn. Yes, so my brother, my sister, exactly what is going on. What does the change of national anthem got to do with our useless Nigeria economy? Hey, I like this part. He said this economy wey be say e don useless. He say na national anthem na him wan correct am. This one has been said by Robert Gozie. In fact, I'm going to take that again. What does the change of national anthem got to do with our useless Nigeria economy? The senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria do not have anything to offer to the people of Nigeria. Our economy is in shambles, and then you are interested in changing our national anthem. I I am ashamed of all the senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So this is the only problem facing this country, abi? Okay, now they play. How important is this for us now, for God's sake? In fact, everybody they talk the same thing. Ṣé orí gbogbo yín ó ti gbálẹ̀? So national anthem ló wá kàn wá kú báyìí, àbí? Kò tẹ̀ sí wàhálà. Ayé yín gbọ́dọ̀ rán ni gbẹ̀yìn kò ní ragbá fún gbogbo yín. Well, this is a waste of time and resources. Why not concur on the private and executive bills that will create employment to Nigerians rather than laying emphasis on things that are not expedient? Oh my God, things that are not important at all. We be say e no go even do us any good, and una come dey think about if 10 senators can sing the old national anthem, then let it be implemented. Okay, that's another one. Well, according to Adam M. Yusuf, he say, well, how does that impact us as a citizen? Look at the raising cost of living in this country, and none of you is talking about what will be the change of national anthem. That is what you are talking about. Baba God, now your hand over there. See people will be say, then they lead us. Where these people they carry us go, we no know. They just they carry us go where you know, where we no know. Baba God, now your hand over there. That is why I don't tell all my people. The cocoa now be say make everybody wake up. Make we go our separate ways. This thing don't overdo. Waiting happen. 100 years don't turn to 110 years. Una still dey there. Una still dey look like say they use something knock all of una. Nobody won't stand up. Nobody won't wake up. The other day somebody they say make me. I first make the move. I can say okay, no wala. If I make move, hope say I go see people wait go follow me, because Chief Sunday go when Chief Sunday go will make move. We see say many people they no one follow Chief Sunday. Most especially our elders, apart from all the Yoruba nation agitators, the major people will be say they're supposed to wake up to follow Chief Sunday, but all of them then call it all right, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what is actually happening in the country. Make una see the people will be say we call leader, where we call senator, where we call lawmaker, see waiting then the reason. If you see there you they shout one Nigeria, my brother, my sister, you are on a long thing. According to that prophet, if una vote for APC, teba lo vote for APC, ó máa le koko ṣé iná rí báyìí ó ti ń le koko báyìí o. Wọ́n ní ẹ máa vote, ẹ ti lọ vote báyìí o. Nǹkan tó ju yín bá rí báyìí ẹ máa fara mọ́. Ọlọ́run á ṣàgbà wá. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.